everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. In today's video I will be showing you a mini review slash numerous customers who've purchased from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique and are happy with their product. So I will be showing you viewers our raw hair textures, our straight raw hair textures, our Vietnamese raw hair textures, Lao raw hair textures, Peruvian, Brazilian, Malaysian and Cambodian raw silky straight hair textures. All the customers in this video are wearing our silky straight raw hair textures, and I also have our Vietnamese silky straight texture, but I did actually curl it for this video to look different. So hope you viewers will enjoy this video. And I also want to thank Hey Paris for basically reviewing the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique and also being a loyal customer for the past couple of years. We really thank you for going out of your way to review our product. Thank you very much, and I will put Hey Paris review video in the description box down below so you can have a look at her channel. Hope you viewers will enjoy this video. Stay tuned for the next clip.
What's poppin', guys? It's your girl Hey Paris here. So today I'm going to be giving you guys my secrets, my top hair vendor of all time. Cool. So right now I am rocking 39 inches, okay, of Brazilian straight hair from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I'm going to leave everything you need to know in the description box down below so you guys can check them out. I also have a coupon code for you guys so you guys can save some money if you do purchase from them. The coupon code is Paris25. Now let me show y'all how long and luxurious this hair is. This is my favorite hair so far for the whole year of 2020. Like, I've been loving this style so much. Okay, so like I said, 39 inches of nothing but quality. Nothing but quality. And I'm telling you guys, you will not find a better hair vendor anywhere on the internet. When I say that, okay, I'll tell you guys the rest when I sit down, because I got a lot to say about the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. Okay, but just look at this right here. Look at the wave, look at the wiggle. This has been in my hair for 2 weeks now and it looks absolutely brand spanking new. Let's get it from the back. There we go. Woo! Yes. And I also got a HD frontal as well from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. I don't know about you guys, but I stopped buying my hair from AliExpress. I just felt like it was so much stress for such low quality hair. Like, yeah, you could find pretty good vendors hair in there, but I felt like they were very overpriced. And the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique is like literally grade A quality hair and a very reasonable price. I've gotten absolutely, and when I say absolutely, I mean absolutely no shedding from this hair whatsoever. When I brush my hair every now and then, 1 or 2 strands may come out, but that's very normal. But like on an everyday basis, I'm not walking around my house and seeing like strands of hair everywhere, in the shower, on my pillow. Like, I don't see none of that anywhere around my house. And when I buy AliExpress hair, that is my #1 concern and complaint, is the fact that, first of all, my husband is like, your hair is everywhere. It's on the floor, it's in the bed, it's in the bathroom. Like, what is you doing? What is that hair saying? I can wear this hair without hesitation, without thinking twice, without looking on the floor to see if my hair is shedding like crazy. This is truly like top-notch hair. The Raw Virgin Hair Boutique is located in the UK. It is not located in China. The owner of the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique is so professional. If you have any questions, any comments, any concerns, anything like that, you can DM her on Instagram. She reads her DM. She answers you very quickly. She's very professional, very nice, very kind. You guys will love her if you end up communicating with her. I have absolutely no doubt about that. But the one thing I love more than anything about the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique is the way that this hair smells. I'm pretty sure she washes the hair for you before she ships it out to you. And whatever shampoo she is using, listen, it stays in your hair for ever. It smells amazing. How about I wasn't wearing perfume the other day and someone complimented me on my smell and I was like, what smell? I'm not even wearing perfume. And then I realized my hair just smells that good. So I'm gonna have to ask her what shampoo or conditioner she uses, because it's been 2 weeks and I can still smell the shampoo in this hair. It smells so delicious. And another reason why I love the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique is because the hair is very manageable, whether it be curly hair or wavy hair, straight hair. I've tried all of their textures, like really, really easy to manage. And I don't think that has anything to do with the company itself. It has only to do with the quality of hair. If you buy good quality hair, it's going to be very easy to manage because it's good quality hair. And I normally have really like bad issues with maintaining curly hair, but the one curly hair I've ever gotten that I've loved and maintained for a very long time has been from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. Now, another good way to tell if hair is good quality is to look at the ends. So my ends, as you can see, the ends of my hair are not stripped, they're not thin, they're thick all the way through. That's how you can tell this is good quality hair. Let me bring them both like this for you guys. Look, no shedding, by the way, just so you know. Absolutely nothing. Like, this hair is stupid amazing. But anyways, look at the ends of this hair. Look at that. This is the very end of the hair. There's no split ends. It's not dried out. It looks brand new out of the package, as you guys can see. There's no way I could possibly mimic that to make it look the way it looks. It just looks this way because the quality is literally that good. So to answer the questions that I get on a daily basis, the hair that I buy all the time is from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. It is 100% my favorite hair company of all time. The shipping is really, really, really quick. I ordered this hair on, I think, a Thursday and I got it on Monday from the UK. Like, that's crazy. So shipping is fast. Quality of the hair is amazing. Customer service is spectacular. All around an amazing experience with the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. And if you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know this is the truth because I've talked about the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique like 2 to 3 years ago. It is still my favorite hair company. And I decided to do this video by myself because I honestly get a lot of DMs about my hair. Where do I get it from? Who does my hair and stuff like this? So I just wanted to make one video that I can like direct my answer to when people ask me. I could just send them this link and they'll know where to get their hair. And if you guys were wondering, I'm wearing 3 bundles of 39 inches and I have a invisible HD frontal. So I hope that answers all of your questions that you guys had about my hair. The Raw Virgin Hair Boutique is my plug, and the name of the company goes amazing with the product because it's literally raw virgin hair and it feels like it's so amazing. You guys will not regret ordering from them. You guys will be DMing me like, Paris, thank you for introducing me to this company. I 100% guarantee it. And all of their socials, including their website, will be listed in the description box down below for your convenience. Definitely go check them out.